Good morning, dear students. Last time we had completed in exercise 15.1 question number 7. So today we are going to start from question number 8 of exercise 15.1. Okay, question number 8 is: a bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is first red and second not red? Okay, so here given that in question number 8, see, 2 types of ball are given in a bag. Okay, see, so first black ball and second red ball, and here total number of balls. See, a black ball 5 and a red ball 3, and total number of balls will be 5 plus 3 8. Okay, so here we can write total number of outcomes or total number of balls is equals to 8. Is it clear? Now see, first find out probability of red ball. Okay, so first let event A is called a red ball. Okay, red ball. See, so total number of red ball in a bag is 3. Okay, so equal to, we can write 3. Therefore probability of event A, so P of A is given by a favorable outcomes to event A, it means red ball, it gives 3 upon total number of outcomes gives 8. So we get 3 by 8. Is it clear? Next, second not red. See, second number not red. So it means we are going to find P of A bar. It means complement of A, because not red. Is it clear? So we can find by using one formula. Formula is P of A plus P of A bar is equals to 1. Okay, so we know that P of A plus P of A bar is equals to 1. Here P of A gives probability of red ball and P of A bar gives not a red ball. Okay, probability of not red ball. So here red ball gives 3 by 8, P of A gives 3 by 8. So we get 3 by 8 is equals to P of A bar is equals to 1, plus. Therefore the value of P of A bar is equals to 1 minus 3 by 8. So we get 8 LCM, so 8 minus 3, so we get 5 by 8. Okay, or how to find in second way, whenever you don't know this formula, so we have to find by using this formula. See how to find. See, or suppose here we have to find a probability of not a red ball. It means not a red means black ball. It means we are going to find a probability of black ball. Okay, see, let event B is equals to not red ball. It means not red, it means we get black ball, yes or no? Because here 2 types of ball are given, black ball and red ball. So here given that not red, it means black ball. So black balls are 5. Okay, so we get a probability of B is equals to favorable outcomes to event B is black ball is equals to 5, and upon total number of outcomes gives 8 is the common. So we get 5 by 8 is the second way to find answer. Is it clear? Okay, next question number 9. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. 1 marble is taken out of the box at a random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be first red, second white and third one is not green. Okay, so question number 9. Here in a bag 3 types of marble are given. Okay, see, first one is red marble, white marble and green marble. Okay, so here we can write red, then green, and then white, and then we can write total number of marbles. Okay, see, 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles are given in a question. Okay, so here we can write 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 8 gives 17. Is it clear? So total number of marbles, total number of outcomes, or we can write marbles, is equals to 17. Okay, now see, first we are going to find a probability of a red marble. Okay, so it is non-event A. Is it clear? So we can write first, let event A is equals to red marble. Okay, red. See, so total number of red marble in the bag is 5. Okay, so we can write 5. Therefore probability of A, now see, we are going to use the formula. Okay, what is the formula? Favorable outcomes of event A upon total number of outcomes. Okay, so favorable outcomes of event A is 5. Okay, so 5 by total number of outcomes, it means total number of marbles given is 17. So we get 5 by 17 is the answer. Is it clear? Next, second, white marble. Okay, second question, let event B is equals to white marble. It means white. See, in this given bag 8 marbles are white, so we can write is equals to 8. Therefore probability of B is equals to, we have to write the formula. Okay, a favorable outcomes event B upon total number of outcomes. So favorable outcomes of event B upon total number of outcomes is equals to, favorable outcomes of event B is 8 upon total number of outcomes gives 17. So we get a probability of B is 8 by 17. It means probability of a white marble in the bag is 8 by 17. Then third one is not green. Okay, so let event C, it is not event C, not green marble, not green. Okay, again there are 2 ways to find. First, find out a probability of green marble and then subtract, okay, from 1. Or not green marble, it means not green, it means it is red or white, yes or no? So red marbles are 5 and white marbles are 8. So we get a 5 plus 8, okay, is equals to red plus white, yes or no? Not green, it means red marble or white marble. Red marbles are 5 and white marbles are 8. So we get 8 plus 5, 13, yes or no? Now see, we get a probability of C is equals to favorable outcomes of event C. Event C is 13 upon total number of outcomes. So we get 13 upon 17 because the total number of outcomes will be same. Okay, 17. So therefore probability of a not green marble, it means probability of C gives 13 by 17. And one more thing we have to check. Okay, see, probability of any event, suppose we can write a probability of A is always in between 0 and 1. Is it clear? Is always in between 0 and 1. It means not more than 1 or not below 0. It means never negative. Okay, whenever we are going to divide it, so we get answer in between 0 and 1. Is it clear? Thank you.